let's talk a little bit about how does LeanLaw take advantage of QuickBooks's, QuickBooks Online accounting capabilities?
Yeah, that's a great question. And it's really kind of part of our magic is that we decided early on that, we were not going to be able to recreate an accounting system like QuickBooks. And so we should take advantage of everything that QuickBooks does to be the best accounting system for small businesses in the world. And so that was QuickBooks Online was a fairly young product when we started. And what was really exciting then is you had a really robust open API in your product, which meant there are lots of ways for us to connect directly with QuickBooks, and it uses webhooks so that can be a two-way sync and in real time. So essentially, these products for the first time could work seamlessly together. Now that's more standard at this point, but that is really what drew us to QuickBooks. And just to give you an idea, let me go to our settings for just a second, and we'll look at the QuickBooks integration page. So there's a whole bunch of things that we do with QuickBooks on this page. And this is just kind of the beginning. So it creates a default service for where things go. It allows us to edit expense settings, designate an operating account. There's other section that allows us to designate a trust account. It lets us decide whether to do client or matter-based accounting in QuickBooks, and whether to create. So when we create a client and matter in LeanLaw, that automatically creates a client and matter in QuickBooks, which we'll talk about later. It can automatically create a client and matter in other programs like Salesforce and HubSpot, so that we have this so that all of that kind of basic work flows through. We can talk about how things are, what payment methods are allowed, class tracking if you're using that, where to send invoices. So we just have kind of thought of every way that's valuable for our clients to be, for our product to be tied into QuickBooks, and have created that in here. So that's kind of the high level here. But we really, we rely on QuickBooks Online to be that chart of accounts and general ledger for all of our law firms. And it's the source of truth for all of our reports with the information that comes directly from QuickBooks Online. It's not like we are creating a, second set of books that have to be aligned with QuickBooks. The books in QuickBooks are the books. That's the source of truth. And we think that is very powerful and something that is a best practice for law firms.